Time to walk home, my little girl. Yes. Little girl is all safely home. She would like to say good night, everyone. Say bye-bye. Say goodbye. She said, do you want to pet my head? Goodbye. The little boo's even cute when he takes a drink. Let's see if he'll get in the bath so we can see a cute one. I love them when they bath. When they take a bath, they're the cutest. Beep beep. Little boy is going to play with his little friend today. He's gonna have to find him though. Stay tuned. Stay tuned, lol. Did you find him, little boo? Look up. He's up there. Yep. Yeah. Okay, get your food and stuff. Don't stress, stay blessed. See y'all. She's so content. Little boy, come here. Shake. Good boy. Hims is waiting right now because Hims wants to go up. You can go up. Come on. Come on. You go up. Yes, you going right up. Whoops it out. Boost could do and he can too. Whoop. Good morning. Shh. Don't wake the little. Go. Work it, work it. Keep going. You got it. Whoop. Say that was a good workout, huh? So, and thank you for all your support. Thanks for watching. Push subscribe, leave your comments, and if you don't mind popping a like or a hype, we much appreciate it. Always, don't stress, stay blessed. Tune in next week.